Well, I bet you didn't expect this video on a Sunday afternoon. Welcome back everybody to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at Case J highlights of singles, which is the Race to Celebrate Ramon, which I have already reviewed on the channel in a 2-packs Case G unboxing and review sort of thing, and also Sally, which is new to the case. And I do have two here, so thankfully I can actually open one up. I got these from my good seller in the UK, Gendams. You can check out their store. They get in restocks of cases all the time, also cars, and sometimes they even are better than Smith's Toys Superstore. So yeah, I did completely skip out on Case H because, well, there's not really too much new stuff in that case except for the yellow hydraulic remote, which you can just about see on your right here. But yeah, 1 minute is long enough. Let's get straight into the packaging for the Ramon and Sally. So yeah, this is the first time we are seeing Ramon as a single. Obviously, I believe this will be the only time. And what the hell is that? Is that a fingernail? Nah, that what the nah. That is disgusting, man. That is that is just absolute. But yeah, anyways, here we have the Ramon. Obviously, like I said, I have already shown him on the channel. Here he is for you guys for a very quick 360. You guys could check out that video if you wish to do so. This video will solely be on Sally, but yeah, obviously here's the Ramon, and here is the back for you guys. Shows the other three, Mater, McQueen, and Sally, which is in this case here. So yeah, here we have Sally. Obviously, I did like a 1 minute video of her ages ago now, but you can see here the artwork, the celebration, etc. The 2026 logo, the Race to Celebrate logo. You can see Sally's there. Obviously made in China still. And obviously here is the back. Sally is flipped out for Ramon. Made in China. And that is that. So I guess without further ado, let's open one of these Sallys up, and I'll be right back in just a few seconds. So here we have the Race to Celebrate Sally out of the packaging, and just like her light up version, she is probably my least favourite just because, well, she is pretty basic, you know. I like a McQueen fan sort of esque Sally. But yeah, here she is. Here is a quick 360 for you guys before I'd get on with the review. Obviously, like I said, she's available in 2026 Case J so far. Not sure about any other cases at the moment. But yeah, Fillmore and Boost are still yet to be released, obviously, and the Gold McQueen, which should be very soon, but he is part of the 20th anniversary line. So yeah, here we have the Sally, obviously. So without further ado, let's get straight into the proper review of her. So as you can see, the Porsche logo there is on the bonnet / hood, which is not on all Sally versions of Diecast, which is still pretty weird if you ask me. We got the headlights there and her smile. We got her nice blue eyes there with this nice outlining. You can see here on the side the very, very nice 95 Lightning McQueen decal as well. As you can see, very interesting. We got the door there above as well. So there is that. You got the wheels. You got the nice checker pattern there on the back. You got the bit here on the side, which is California 301 BCE, which is really, really nice. You got some extra exhaust pipes there as well, with the boot there, trunk, how you like to say it in your country. Very nice little glittering patterns there, as you can see on the side. Obviously, of course, if you zoom all the way in, there is a look at the other side of the Sally if you are interested. And then here is a look at the base. I keep forgetting Sally's the few ones that are flipped the other way. She was made in the 83rd day in 2026 here from the China factory. I am now quickly going to compare her to her light up version, which is plastic. Obviously you can see she doesn't have the Porsche logo, the headlights aren't painted in, mouth isn't painted in. The eyes are, obviously though, that is a sticker. And you can see just how different they are looking at them. I'm going to zoom a little bit out so you guys can see them both together. Obviously this one is the lighter. You can see the difference here. 301 PCE is a lot clearer on the sticker than it is on the diecast. You can see the wheels are different as well. And obviously the bases will be, because that is where the light up bit is. So there is that, and here is a quick comparison with the 2026 Sally, I believe. No, this is the Thailand Sally, which would have been in a 5-pack that I opened up. Probably the Willie's Beauty 5-pack reissue. So you can see there are some differences here. Actually, I'm going to pull down my other Sally, which is this one here, which is right above, because, you know, this one is more comparable, because this one should be from China. Yeah, China. So, kind of a blue, but I'm going to leave that in, because it's quite funny. Yep, you can see here, the eye expression is different, so that is nice how they have done that. Porsche logo is there as well. Obviously, the side was just say 95 Lightning McQueen Day, etc. with the door. The back obviously has Carrera, whereas this one doesn't. So, hopefully I didn't open up an error. No, I didn't, so it looks like they all look like that. So very interesting. The window is slightly different as well. The red isn't painted in on the 1 to 55 normal mainline diecast compared to the Race to Celebrate. That is weird. And obviously here are the two bases. So yeah, that is basically it for the Case J highlights. I believe this is Case J. If it's not, then I have just been completely bamboozled with you guys this whole time. But if you want to check out my video on Ramon, feel free to do so. Here he is. Obviously, again, another really cool one. Gonna zoom out for you guys so you can see them all together. So we got, move those Sallys out of the way. Let's do that. We've got Ramon, Sally, Flo, Lightning McQueen, and Meta so far. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite. And if you had to include the 20th anniversary Sally as well, will she be better than the 1 to 55 scale Race to Celebrate? Till the next video, it should be in a few days time, everybody. Peace, everybody. Don't forget to hype up the video.